Hi everyone, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about welcome to our session. Today our agenda is to discuss about the arithmetic operator, assignments operator, logical operators. It means our agenda is of operators in this session. So what are the operators do we have in Python? That and all we are going to discuss about in this session. So let's start our session. So let's start our session, right? Okay, I'm giving an heading name called operators. Okay, after that, I'm going to run this one. I'll going to get an heading like this. So we'll move on to this another one. So I'm assigning x is equals to 2 and I want to perform the arithmetic operation in such a way that I want to print the value of x. Correct, right? So let's run this one. So x is equals to 2 x. So and then x is again replaced by 2 plus 2 4. So when I want to value of x, it is going to print as x is equals to 4. Similar manner, I want to perform the operation such that where I need to get the value of x is in subtraction of that one. So when I do this one, I'll get remaining thing, right? 4 minus 2. Initially, when you are having this value x at this position, we will be having value of x is 4. So when I perform the subtraction operation, so I'm going to get again 2. So next, increment and decrement operator. Everyone are heard about this one, but we'll see. Present our x value is 2. When I want this one x plus equals to 2 means x is equals to x plus 2. Similar kind. However, we are doing here x is equals to x plus 2. Same operation is going to perform here itself. X plus equals to 2. Correct, right? Next, same thing will do in the subtraction operation is equals to. Whether I'll get the same thing or not, I'm going to check here itself. So, hey, yes, we got right. Next, we will be having assignment operator. X equals to 2 and y equals to 4 and z is equals to 3. All these called assignment operators. All these are called assignment operators. So because if you are using single equal to, then it is called assignment operator. If you are using double quotes, double equals to, then it is called comparison operators. Let's see here also. So because only x has been taken, a single value at a time it can be print. Okay. Next we will take x equals to y. Is it so? Let me check. Let me check with this one. So okay, if it is false, why? Because x is having 2, y is 4. Whether it is going to compare two values and we'll get right. If it is true, then it will return true. If it is false, it will return false. Whether let's have a look on another case. So here I am assigning the same values. So it will compare and it will give the it will compare and it will give right. So whether I run this one, whether I am going to get true, correct, right? You can change the value here itself. X equals to minus x also. So when I done this one, I'll going to get the opposite value of that one, right? Here I am having x is equals to 4. When I change this one to another thing, I'll going to get minus 1. Next we are having bitwise operators. Correct, right? And we'll having logical operators also. Whether C, A, sorry, x less than y. Whether it is true or false. It is true. X is less than or y not. It is okay. Sorry, x it is changed right. Minus 4 and y is 4. Minus 4 less than 4. It is true, right? So that's why we are going to get R. Otherwise, I'll take another thing and I'll assign it one to this one. Whether I'm going to get or not, I'll see. Oh, false, right? Because we will be having same values. But if you assign this one to x is less than or equals to, in such a case we'll be going to get the correct answer maybe. Wait, I'll check, right? So because both having equals to, in such a case we will going to get the same thing, right? So we have been seeing the arithmetic operators as well as subtraction, increment and decrement operations. Also we have been seeing the assignment and comparison operators. These are all the operators we have in the Python. If you have any doubts regarding this one, please mention in comment box, and if you are not subscribed till now our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from the All About ECE. Thank you for watching.